Hi everyone, welcome back to this week's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a photo background and then replace it with the design that you want. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to create a design and then add a photo that is without a background and then create a completely different photo indeed. If you're new here, my name is Steve from stevenjohnson.com. I create 2 videos a week, one video for personal development like this one, and the other video is usually about health and nutrition. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that we can get notified every time I post a new video. Let's get into it. As you can see, I'm on the homepage of Canva. So if you don't have an account, you can sign up for a free account at canva.com. Once you finish signing up, you will end up on this page where you will have access to all the tools and the designs that you want to use. But again, if you want to explore more of Canva and what it has to offer for you, I'll leave the link down below for Canva for Pro, just for you to try for 30 days for free. No hidden charges at all. So once you've tried and after 30 days you enjoy it, then you can continue. And if not, you can go back to your Canva for free account. That's easy as that. I've got a homepage here. So what I did just before, I selected a template. It was an Instagram template. So you select different templates that you want. But for this one, I've already selected Instagram template that I've got a design on it. I'll go into it right now. As you can see, I've got this lovely sunset view there that I'm going to try and put another photo with the background and then remove the background so I can show you how to do that. So what we will do now, the first thing is to go to the left toolbar here and then go to photos, or you can, if you want to use your own photo, then you go to upload and then upload your photo from your computer onto the Canva editor, then put your photo there and then use it to do that. But I will just go to the main photo area where we've got loads and loads of free photos that Canva provide for the free account. It's even more for the pro account. So all these photos in the free account are all for free. As you can see, when you hover over it, it says free. So they're all free photos. So I've put this photo here with this lady. She's watching the sunset view. So what I'll do, I'll just resize that, and then I want to remove that background there so that she can only be left with the background that I have designed. So I'll make sure this photo is highlighted, and then I go on the top left corner here, it says edit image, and click on that, and then there's another dialog box that comes on the left. Here it says background remover. So this is where the magic will happen. So you click on that once, and then it should straight away start working on that photo to remove the background. So it's really cool because it doesn't take long. Almost there. As you can see, it's working, and then that's it. Voila. There you go. So you see, I can move around that photo now without the background that it came with, so I can then put it anywhere I want and to make this photo look even real. So I'll just pop it here on the left hand corner. I'll just resize again and then yeah, and make it seem like she's watching those 2 people there who are kayaking and watching the sunset there. So as you can see, you can really make this really look real, as you can see there. That's it. So that's all you do, and then you can add whatever you want to add onto your photo, and it doesn't take long at all. So what I'll do, I'll just duplicate this photo without the background, and then I'll move it on the side there so I can use it again. So I'm just gonna, this is another design that I've created there, so I'm just gonna move that photo that I've just done to here and show you another way that you can create a design this way and play around with the entire design. As you can see, she's facing there without the background on the design that we've created. So on the top toolbar here where it says edit image we used before, there's a crop section, and then there's a flip. So we can click on flip once, and then here it gives you option to flip it either, I'll go up a bit so you can see, either vertically, it should go vertically, as you can see. I'll go back, and then I'll come up here to flip horizontally. As you can see now, with the horizontal it looks good. Now she's facing completely the other way, so I'm gonna use that one. So I can make it look like she is now looking at the tree there, or something on the tree there, on the flower. So that makes it look really real. As you can see, it's all Amazing. So that's how easy it is, guys. And if you have got any questions again, leave them on the comment below, and then I'll make sure I answer them or I'll get back to you. Otherwise, you can shoot me an email via my social media, or use the email that I've got on the description box and get in touch with me. I hope you've learned something today, guys. Is the plan and is my hope that every week I'll, show you guys something that help you learn something new for the week. With all that, guys, thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. And just visit my YouTube. I've got a lot of playlists there for Canva as well, all the different topics that you might have missed. Just check the Canva playlist, and then you learn something there. Otherwise, guys, thanks again for being here. I appreciate your support, and share the videos, and I'll talk to you again in the next one. You take care. Bye.